This video clip is for Casino God mode. My instructions are super easy. Requirement is to bookmark the stunt race. You can find it on description or comments below. Also, penthouse with garage. Vehicles inside the garage. And that's it. Just follow my super easy step-by-step process. Continue to watch the video. Enjoy. So how do we make the job appear? You need to join a friend. Go to your friend list, pull out your Xbox menu. Click join game, back out. Before the game loads, information downloads. You need to go to jobs, play job, bookmark. Oh, it beat me. I need to be faster. You see, that's what you don't want, or else you have to start all over again. Okay, so let me try this again and explain something real quick. The Casino God mode works very easy in a step-by-step process. I would like to share with you all the details and what you need to know about this mod on this video. Stick around. Once again, what are the requirements? Penthouse, garage, garage with vehicles, bookmark stunt race that is on description or comments below. Before you begin, make sure you return your personal vehicle to storage. This might help if you listen to the instructions before I actually do the process. I start by pressing Xbox button, then I go to friends, another player on GTA, click join game, press B, back out fast. I open the GTA menu fast, go to online, go to jobs, play job, bookmark. I then go to stunt race and I click on my job. Okay, let me press my Xbox button now, go to friends, join game, back out, hit start, online, jobs, play job, bookmark, stunt race, my job, click on it, and that's it. The job failed to download because it contains invalid data. Are you sure you want to join? No. Back out, and now you're back inside the casino, and you can actually see the stunt race that I told you to bookmark. It's right here, and this is exactly what we want. Okay? Looks like my duffel bag disappeared. So this is what we want. We're doing good so far. Okay, so we got the stunt race to appear inside the casino. Great. But every time you walk up to it, now it disappears. And how to fix that is you pull out your phone, you go here to quick join, you go to random, you go to alone, and you click are you sure? Now looking for job. Walk up to the circle, pull out your phone, click on quick join, and just leave it there. That's it. Back out. Now the circle stays on, you see? No matter where you go. Walk in, walk out. The circle is now staying on. That's what you want. Slowly approach the telephone until you see access phone services. Access phone services, press right on the D-pad. Now it says press enter. That's for the stunt race, but you have to wait.
Hello, sir. How can I be of help today?
Valid service, penthouse garage. I'm gonna click on this car.
It's on its way now.
I press enter right about here. And then I press nothing. Character slowly falls down the map, and you are now in God mode. Okay, that's it. It's that easy. If you want to replay it one more time, go for it. Get into a vehicle. You need to shoot the driver first. enter through the passenger side. That should work. See? And you know you did it right if the NPC falls off the car twice. You see? So he did. So now you can actually drive any other car. This God mode is very limited. The only good thing about this God mode is being off the radar. That's it. Here we go. Let's get off with the police and fight it out. Okay, so I'm here, invincible, shooting it out with the police. The reason why I say this God mode is very limited is because you cannot call your personal vehicles. You cannot register as a CEO, do work as a leader. You cannot do stand your ground. Okay, I need to lose the cops. Their cursing is just really horrible and it gets to me, dude. Too much cursing coming from the police. Finally lost that wanted level. And yeah. Once again, this is the Casino God mode. And yeah. Can't use your phone. Let's see. Vehicle requests. Ruiner 2000. We request it and it's never going to show up. Yeah. So very limited. But you're off the radar. That's a good thing. There is ragdoll. Other players, other YouTubers say that there is no ragdoll. There is. Test it out. Have somebody in the Kanjali run you over and watch what happens. This is the end of this video, and I hope it was useful to anyone out there. Make sure you bookmark that stunt race. Follow the process, steps, and procedure. It should be easy, dude. Like I said, can't use your phone, can't do CEO work, MC. Maybe you can join somebody's MC or VIP or CEO before you do this. Yeah, so join their MC and then go to the casino and do it. Join their CEO and then go back to the casino and do it, and then maybe you can help them. I don't know. Do what exactly. Goodbye.